Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then click on I understand. Now click on I agree. Then come back to the lab instruction page. Click on task number 1 and open this link in incognito window. Now scroll down to the bottom of this page. You will get this chat app. Click on this chat app. Then come back to the lab instruction page. Scroll down little bit. Copy this name attendance bot from task number 1 and come on to the app script again and replace it with untitled project. Then click on rename. Then again come back to the lab instruction page. Scroll down little bit. You will get this code. Copy this code and come back to the app script. Scroll down and you have to paste this code in line number 38. Okay, so paste that code in line number 38 only. Okay, then simply click on this save. So we have completed with task number 1. Again come back to Google Cloud Console. For task number 2, come on to this API and services and then select this OAuth constant screen and open this in new tab. Then simply click on get started. And for app name, come back to the lab instruction page. You will get this table in task number 2. Copy this name, paste it here in app name, and for user support email, select your student email ID, then click on next, then select internal, scroll down and click on next. For contact information, come back to the lab instruction page, copy your student email ID, paste it here and click on next, then click on I agree, then create. And wait for some time. After this, click on this navigation menu and then from this cloud overview, select dashboard. Then click on this go to project setting and then copy this project number. After this, come back to this app script, then click on this project setting. Scroll down a little bit, you will get this Google Cloud Platform GCP project. Click on this change project, paste that copied project number here and then click on set project. Then click on this deployment drop down arrow, then select this test deployment and then copy this head deployment ID. Simply click on this copy and paste somewhere for future use. Okay, then click on done. Then come on to this Google Cloud Console, then come back to the lab instruction page, copy this name Google Chat API from point number 3 of task number 2. Copy this name, paste it here in the search box and open this first option. Then click on manage. Then we have to click on configuration. Now wait for some time to get the data loaded. Okay, so for the app name, come back to the live instruction page. You will get this table. In task number 2, copy this app name, paste it here. For avatar URL, come back to the live instruction page, copy this URL, paste it here. Then copy this description, paste it here. Then scroll down from thanks functionality. Select this receive one-to-one message. Then select join space and group conversations. In connection settings, select this app script, and we have to paste that head development ID which we have copied earlier. Copy this and paste it here in development deployment ID, and scroll down a little bit. You will get this visibility section. In this visibility section, we have to paste our student email ID. No, here we have to paste our student email ID. So just copy and paste your student email ID. Then simply click on save. After this, come back to the live instruction page, and from this test the bot section, open this URL in incognito window. Then come back to the live instruction page, copy this name attendance bot, then click on start a chat and paste that name attendance bot here and select the attendance bot. You can simply type anything you want and press enter. Okay, so we are done with the task number 2. You can simply click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Let's move to task number 3. So for task number 3, copy this code from point number 3 of task number 3. Copy this code and come on to the app script tab. Then click on this editor. Then select the code from line number 1 to line number 17. Just select this much code and paste that copied code here. After that, again come back to the live instruction page. Okay. After pasting this code, click on save. Now again come back to this attendance bot chat and again type anything you want. Okay. So we have got this response. Come back to the live instruction page and we are done with the task number 3. You can click on check my progress for task number 3. Just simply click 2 to 3 times. You will get the score here. This happens because lab takes time to update the score. So if you are not getting the score after doing the task, just simply click 2 to 3 times. You will get the score. Now come on to the task number 4. Copy this code from task number 4. Now we have to paste this code from line number 25 to 44. So after copying this code, come on to the app script tab and select the code from line number 25 to 44. Okay, just select this much code 25 to 44 and paste the code here. After pasting the code, again come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down a little bit in task number 4. Again you will get this code. Copy this code. Now come on to the bottom of this page where all the code ends. Okay, so paste that copied code in last. Okay, after pasting the code, again come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down a little bit, again you will get the code. Copy this code and again paste the code in last. After pasting the code, simply click on this Save Project to Drive. After saving the project, click on this Services, Add Services, and scroll down a little bit. You will get this Gmail API. Select this Gmail API and click on Add. After that, again come back to this Attendance Bot tab, and now simply type here I am sick. Then click on Configure. Select your username and scroll down, click on Allow. Now you can simply close this window. After that, we have got this response from bot. Then click on Set a vacation in Gmail. Okay, when you got this type of response, then again click on this block out day in calendar. So after getting this type of response, then come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down a little bit, click on check my progress for task number 4. You will get the score here. So we are done with this lab. Click on check my progress for each and every task. You will get this code. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now you can simply end this lab. And if you like this tutorial window, then simply hit the like and subscribe button.